Hi, this is Bill at Machinery Consultants, right here in Salt Lake City, Utah. I'd like to thank you for your time to preview this video. We're doing a video on a couple of milling machines here in our facility today. This one here happens to be a pre-owned Acra. It was new in 2014, very limited use. It's a model AM2AC. So what that is the variable speed mill head, 9x42 table, 0 to 5,000 RPM machine. It's a standard manual milling machine with the 2-axis digital readout. Okay, hold that. Just hold it still. Power drawbar, 1-chop lube system. It's currently set up to be ran at 440 volts. However, that being said, it can be ran at 220 volts as well. It's a 3-phase machine, and it has an inverter set up on the spindle with the Speed E power drawbar by Servo Products. All that being said, let's go ahead and see how it runs, Frank. What do you got? Perfect, thank you. Please and thank you. We've got an inverter drive R8 spindle. Real sharp looking milling machine. Okay, we have the feed engaged. Yeah, no, right behind me now. Feed kick out, very nice, very nice. The only thing this machine's missing is a table feed. Let us know if you need one installed. That would go right here, otherwise it's manual. 2-axis, accurate DRO. Okay, we're going off the potentiometer knob for the speed up and speed down. Does it have 2 ranges? Oh, okay, perfect. So it has a low and a high range. Overall weight on this machine is about 2,800 pounds. It was recently released from a research facility. Absolutely beautiful. We'd like to note the table. Fresh in the wrapper. Crossways, fresh in the wrapper. No visible usage whatsoever other than unwrapping it and having it sit in the corner for 5 years. The dials. Okay. Standard Bridgeport type milling machine with power drawbar setup. Oh, this Kurt Weiss. Okay. We are including this Kurt Weiss for $500 if anyone's interested. That's a pre-owned model D675. Thanks, sir. So again, it's a power drawbar by Servo Products. Air operated. Just takes normal shop air. You getting close on that DRO? Should we show them that a little bit? Okay, 3 minutes and 30 seconds in. The 2-axis XY Analam Wizard 550 series DRO. Get the numbers, come into your dials. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, so if you have any questions on this is here at Machinery Consultants out in Salt Lake City, Utah. It's an Acra. Are you all right? Making sure I didn't back into what you jumped into. AM2AC, serial number 1003-154, mint limited use condition. So this is set up with a potentiometer, 2-axis DRO, 1-chop oil lube. It's the chrome hardened R8 spindle Quill, 3 bars, inverter drive. If there's anything else, let us know. This particular machine's here at Machinery Consultants out in Salt Lake City, Utah. You can reach us by either the phone or by our website, or you can email directly. Our email is mci@machineryconsultants.com. Our phone number is 801-531-9500. Until next time, thanks again. This is an Acra 2014 AM2AC mill here at Machinery Consultants in Utah. Cool. Peace.